unsa ka. Naong raman akong ikuha niya para higit kay good. Hey, kama na. Ikaw na. Eh.
Hindi mo nakaliguan?
Oh, may higit na kayo. Bako na. Ito na kami. Eh, ang babaw na la. Ang kaning babaw. Kuha na. Lapong na. Oo. Nagkag-Shaolin. Yan na. Tubo pa ni 2 weeks, baby. 2 weeks pa, beya. Kuha na. Good boy, may nakikik na. Be. Hindi na ka dito ni Maria na good boy na ka, no? Dili na ka mo, ano. Dito ni Maria, no? Hukup tao, okay? Kayo. Okay. Wala lang. Kung anong grasa ni. Be, murag kung anong grass.
Nag-cut. Razor. Razor.
Dapat lang. Okay, limuot mo nilang gino. Ini si Be. Ang baba wala. Ang last kay ang kuan.
Sana, today's vlog. I-kicks today's vlog. Kicks siya.
Patupi pa, Be. Good boy. Ay. See? Hindi, pulma na yan. Be? Yan na.
Guwapo.
Reward for being good boy. Yan na. Ganyan sana ayaw sa pagkuhan na yung itan, Be. Sabi. Hindi dito po. Uy, Nardi, kita na mata, Be. Look. Kita na yung eyes. Down sa down. Down sa. Down. Balik ta down. Ayun na sad. Ano pa man? Sohol para magtan. Okay. Wala.
You've got 1,000 planets with life on. Maybe life is going to be the same way 999 out of 1,000 times because it's going to be carbon-based, it's going to be water, it's going to be cells, it's going to be charges, it's going to be hydrogen and CO2, and you're going to face the same constraints.
If life is not only abundant but almost inevitable, the bottleneck to not see aliens everywhere.
Well, there's probably more than one bottleneck, but you carry it as, in my own mind.
I had imagined this like Frankenstein-like moment where things zaps alive
I hate that sometimes.
in person. I would hear this and I'd be like, wow, this is
Gaan lagi ka, wait, sabi. Sabi ko, straight, hindi ko ka straight. Okay.
It's still like faster, but Jesus Christ, you know, like look at this waist. So this is all like just moving and is much faster than the JS version. It takes to send one AST from Rust to JavaScript, you could have passed another 14 files. So the vast majority of the time you're taking is just spent on moving stuff around, not actually doing any useful work. So this is the problem, because if the big selling point of native tooling is speed,
Canada is a world leader when it comes to critical minerals, and America wants in.
Ayun sa likod na.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.